Okay, evening. So I thought I'd just do a super quick video on networking, building your contact base and things like that. Really shiny forehead. It's not ideal, is it? Never mind. Anyway, enough of that. So yeah, I thought I'd do a super quick video on networking and things like that. So I've always been really keen on networking, getting out there and speaking to people. I mentioned that in my last video, the last update. But it was always impressed on me, really, at a really early stage, that you're kind of judged by the amount of work and things that you bring in, and it's always been part of my psyche to work on contacts, build contacts, do lots of networking. Not over the top, because a lot of people are over the top. They just do a lot of unnecessary stuff, and it's really important to work out the type of things that you like doing. For me, a bit of golf is always pretty good fun, which I was up to yesterday. Posted a little bit on the Instagram yesterday with that, so that's good fun, getting out there and at the same time trying to win some work and build on my referral network. So I was out playing golf with a couple of commercial agents. Really nice day, lovely day, and like I say, at the same time trying to build that base of contacts. So that was a great day. Today, just popped out around the corner to go and meet with a client for a quick coffee, just as a catch up. That was really good again. I think that's really important to get out there, speak to clients, do that. If they can put a face to the name and you get a better understanding of the business, they get a better understanding of you, that's fantastic. The best referrals you get are personal referrals, clients referring work. If they've met you, they like you, ultimately, they're going to refer work to you, or they're going to refer people to you, they're going to refer friends to you, contacts in their own networks. You really can't beat personal recommendations. That's by doing a good job, making yourself available. I'm going over there, meeting with a client, off the clock, not charging them, obviously. That is fantastic. In my eyes, it's fantastic work to be doing if you've got the time and the ability. I mean, it's 11:15. It's 11:15 now. I've had to sacrifice a bit of my evening doing those bits yesterday and today, and I've got to do a bit of catching up now. But in the long run, I think those bits will pay off. So they are, for me, vital. Obviously, with lockdown and things like that, networking, building those contacts, working on those contacts has been difficult. Everything is done by phone. I'm not really sure networking via Zoom and things like that really works, particularly unless you've got a really good relationship with those people already. I can't see how that. I mean, I haven't tried it, so perhaps it does. But for me, as I said earlier, you've got to find the things that work for you. They've got to be stuff you enjoy. If you don't enjoy it, then you're not going to get anything out of it, because it's a chore, and that really isn't worthwhile in my eyes. So for anyone who's setting out, in the line of work that I do, so commercial property and real estate, referral work is fantastic. You get to a stage where you have to prove yourself to the people above you, the partners and things like that you can win work, you are a prospect. And again, if you want to make those steps up the ladder to partner and things like that yourself, you have to be able to show that you're commercially minded, you've got that ability to win work, earn money for the business, because that's what it's all about. It's vital in my eyes that you do that. If you've not got those ambitions of moving up the ladder, then you don't have to do it. Really, you can sit there and take work from the partners as they pass it down to you, and you can carry along on your merry way. But if you want have those ambitions, especially for like I say, the line of work that we do, and also it's hugely valuable in all the other practice areas. You're only as good as the money you're bringing in, really. It's vital, I would say, to do that sort of thing. If you're not comfortable doing it, then fine, but you kind of need to get comfortable doing it, really. It's really, really key to you making those next steps. I enjoy it. I enjoy getting out there and speaking to people. What we do today is speaking to people, or it should be speaking to clients, breaking stuff down for them, making it nice and easy. That's all part of the skills of being a good lawyer, being a good solicitor in my eyes. So you should seriously, if you're thinking about making those steps, you want to go along those different avenues. Then those are the skill sets that you need to be developing. You need to be a good communicator, speaking with people. And obviously sector specific, so food and beverage stuff, I really look at developing my knowledge and understanding of that sector, so that when I speak to clients, I'm knowledgeable. When I speak to referrers, I'm knowledgeable. And so if it's someone that I've not spoken to before, then they can really get a feel that I understand and I know their business. I might not know their business specifically, but I understand the sector, and that I can provide great insight from a commercial perspective as well as just a legal perspective, because that's what people want. They want commercial advice, point you in the right direction, not just give you options, point you in the right direction. And if you can do that at an early stage in your networking process, build a network of referrers, network of clients who are willing to refer you or big you up and give you personal recommendations, they are so valuable. So those are just some thoughts that I had late in the evening. Maybe a bit of a ramble, because it's, like I say, it's late in the day. I'm a little bit tired now. I will be heading to bed after this. So if you've got any questions, please send them in, fire them in, and I'll be more than happy to answer those. So yeah, have a good evening. Cheers.